YouTube, what's going on, baby? It's your boy TC the Barber. I'm up in the shop bright and early, you know what I mean? They say early bird catch the worm. Well, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? Yo, hold on, man. Yo, who want to cut out here? No, it don't work like that. Anyways, man. And in this haircut tutorial that I'm gonna be dropping today, this young man, he wants a brush fade. He wants a brush fade to shape up, you know what I mean? And that's what we're gonna do, man. But you know, crazy, these young kids, man, they don't like touching the top of their hair, man. You know what I'm saying? But if you ain't gonna take care of your hair, then I will. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here for. Anyways, we're gonna get in this tutorial, man. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, subscribe and hit that like button. And also that notification bell will let you know when I drop my next video. TC the Barber. Yeah. YouTube is your boy TC the Barber. So the first step, I'll be going in with my Silver Babbitts FX, and I'm gonna be balling at the bottom at the nape of the neck, and I want to make sure this line is nice and neat. So this next step, we're going to go this anti-master with the lever all the way open. As you can see, I'm going to go ahead and start my taper first at the back of the neck. With the lever all the way open again. And I'm going to be going up about a ½ inch. And then my step after this, I'm going to open the lever back up and continue to brush fade on the side. I always like to start with my taper first. So now this next step, I'm going to close the lever and go ahead and knock out the ball line. And then as I go up on the fade, I'm going to open the lever up halfway. Okay, so this next step with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and finish setting in my first guideline for the brush fade. Going up and around the ears, and I'm going to keep that drop looking back, and I'm going to repeat the same steps on the right side of the head. Now this next step, I want to knock down some of this bulk with the number 2 guard with the lever all the way open. I'm going to go all the way up off the prior ridge of the head and flick out. Now with the 1 guard with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and blend out my first guideline around the head. gonna close the lever halfway, and I'm gonna keep working at this area till I get it nice and smooth. Coming around the back of the head with the lever all the way open, I'm going to repeat the same steps that I did on the left side of the head, in the back, and the right side. Switching over to the 1/16 guard with the lever adjusted to half, and I'm just coming back at the bottom of the fade and just doing some detailing, hitting some areas that I couldn't get with the number 1 guard. Now I'm gonna close that lever up all the way and just going back down, man, back down to the nape area, just doing some cleanup, doing some detailing. You know, it's important, you know, when you're doing these fades, man, it don't hurt to go back and, you know, and use that mirror and go back just to clean up some areas, man, that you need to make the fade, bring the fade all together. That's what I'm trying to say. All right. Enough of all this blending and stuff, man. So the next step with the lever all the way closed, I'm gonna go ahead and start shaping him up.
Now this part right here, this is what I call the icing on the cake right here. I'm gonna go ahead and start edging them up all around. Okay, now coming to the front of the edge up, I always start in the middle is what I like to do, and I use that as a guide. So in the corner of the head, I'm using the eyebrow as a reference, as a guide to keep me in front of the hairline and not pushing it back. Okay, so for the sides, he like that C cup shape, that hard C cup, and then he like the ice pick sideburn. So that's what we're gonna give him. Now I'm going to speed this thing up, just repeating the same steps that I did on the left side. We're going to do the right side. Match everything as clean as possible. YouTube, this is the cut. Hope you guys appreciated watching, man. Definitely hit that subscribe button and also that notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video, and smash them like buttons, man. This content take time, it take work, man, and it's not easy, but yeah, definitely do that for me, man. And my IG information is at the corner of the screen. My Facebook information, Tony T. Clark and TC the Barber. I'm out. Peace.